Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a wallet from the SafePal app with just a few simple steps. Before you start, make sure you're selecting the correct wallet, because removing the wallet from the app can affect your access to it. If you may need the wallet again later, make sure you have securely backed up the recovery information. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. From the top of the screen, tap on the wallet option. Now you'll see your available wallets. Select the wallet you want to delete. After selecting the wallet, tap on the three-dot menu. Here, you'll see different details and options related to your wallet. At the bottom, you'll find the Remove option. Tap on Remove. SafePal will now show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the wallet. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct wallet. If everything is correct and you want to continue, tap Confirm Delete. The wallet will then be removed from your SafePal app. Keep in mind that removing a wallet from the app is not the same as deleting the cryptocurrency from the blockchain. Your assets aren't simply erased because you removed the wallet from the app. However, you'll need the appropriate recovery information to regain access to a wallet later. So, before deleting any wallet, make sure you've backed up the necessary recovery information and stored it somewhere safe. Never share your recovery phrase or private key with anyone, even if someone claims to be SafePal support. And that's it. These are the simple steps to delete or remove a wallet from SafePal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, crypto guides, app tutorials, and tech tips.